How to redeem Google Play gift card from another country. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can redeem Google Play gift card from another country, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to redeem Google Play gift card from another country, let's say you purchase a gift card that you bought from some other countries, you want to redeem it to your country. It is very simple to do that. Now all you have to do is, by default, if you just try to redeem it, you will not be able to do so. So let's say you actually purchase the gift card from US and you're trying to redeem it to some other countries. I want you to simply download a US VPN. If you purchase the gift card from some other countries, download that country's specific VPN and simply connect to their region. So let's wait until this installation process has been completed. Once you've done this process, what you basically want to do is just open it up like this, allow the permissions, and now what you want to do is just make sure to connect to a VPN. Once you connect to a VPN, tap on the OK option and then you get successfully connected here. After you've done this, now what you want to do is basically just long press the Google Play Store app icon, tap the I button, go to more option, go to storage and cache, clear cache, and make sure to clear the storage. Once you've done this, just come back and just tap the open option. Once you tap on open, just make sure to re-log in if it asks you to, and after you've done that, it will open up your Google Play Store. After it's opening up now, tap the profile option from the top right, go to payments and subscriptions, go to redeem code, just enter the gift card code, and this time you should be able to redeem the gift card that you bought from another country. This way you can redeem a Google Play gift card from another country. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.